Explains the philosophy of a lot of theatrical survivors. I'm gonna live and live now, get what I want, I know how, all that the law will allow. One roll for the whole shebang, one roll that bell will go clang. Though I'm alone, I'm a gang, eye on the target, and bam, one shot, one gunshot, and bam. Hey world, here I am. Don't tell me not to fly, I've simply got to. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to live, just sit and putter. Life's funny and the sun's a ball of butter. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? I'll march my band out. I'll beat my drum. And if I stand out, you're turning faster. At least I didn't fake it, actor. I guess I didn't make it. But whether I'm the rose of pure perfection, or freckle on the nose of life's complexion, the cinder or the shiny apple of its eye, I gotta fly once, I gotta try once, only can die once. But love is juicy, juicy, and you see, I gotta have my bite, sir. Get ready for me, love, cause I'm a comer. I've simply gotta march, my heart's a drummer. Nobody, no, nobody. It's gonna rain on my... Now, the nominees for the best performance by an actor...